Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to correctly withdraw your affiliate earnings from Whop in 2025. And yes, this method is working. Let's jump right in. First, open up your browser and head over to the Whop website. Once you're there, log into your account and navigate to your account settings. In the account settings section, you'll see various options like General, Connected Accounts, Security, Payment Info, Balance, Billing History, and Resolution Center. Click on Balance and then tap on Setup Withdrawals. Now you'll be asked to choose the country where your bank is located. Select your country and enter your bank account details carefully. Make sure everything is accurate. After that, you'll need to connect your account with the Stripe. Just enter your email address and mobile number to get started. Once you're connected with Stripe, complete any additional required banking info to finalize the setup. And that's it. With everything set up properly through Stripe's integration with Hope's payment system, you're now ready to withdraw your affiliate earnings smoothly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech how-tos. See you in the next one.